is a fantastic group. It's a great collaboration. There are a lot of people from over the world here, so definitely it's very diverse.
Critical care research group brings many people together.
People that have done like these super interesting randomized clinical trials all over the world, and their experiences and how they can like share it with us. So for us, junior investigators can get like that experience and turn it into the next step in clinical trials and investigation in general.
This morning, John has a very nice approach to the research. It's the inclusive and participative research, where everyone can be included in the research worldwide. Here, I think there is like a continuum between global research and the very experimental research and very precise research, personalized research.
We have a lot of work to do because there are so many things that don't have answers yet, and having the opportunity to share with very different people with very different approaches and to compare and to ask questions that give us the opportunity maybe to reduce that uncertainty and to make our lives and our patient lives easier.